Welcome back to my channel once again. No Air Cricket with Navendu Sharma, and today's topic is outswing bowling. What are the points you should know if you want to learn an outswing bowling? So now I will start with the grip. How to hold a grip if you want to bowl a outswing bowling. If the ball is new, you have to angle the seam of the ball, like angling the seam of the ball towards third man region, and then release it. It will swing. And if you are bowling with a semi-new ball, then keep this shiny surface towards mid-wicket region and this rough part towards cover region, and tilt the wrist towards third man region before you release the ball. Now we'll come to the run-up, which should be straight, rhythmical, smooth, and without any shuffling or reshuffling, as I've told you earlier also. Now we'll come to the gathering phase, that is the third part. I have told you this earlier also in my previous videos, that in the gathering phase we'll bring all the body parts that are movable close to the body. We'll coil them so that we can have a greater amount of force and can apply it in further. So by coiling, we means that we will coil all the body parts in the air. And the most important thing is backward cocking of the wrist at the gathering phase, like this. What will it help us? I will tell you. This backward cocking will help you to impart the maximum backspin in the ball while releasing it. Now we'll come to the fourth step, that is delivery stride. So side on bowlers are more likely to bowl outswing, and little round arm action is required to bowl an outswing, because it will make a angle which will help the ball to swing through the air towards the third man region, and will impart backspin in the ball. So obviously we will deliver this ball post vertical. Fast bowling is maximum, we are delivering post vertical only. And at the time of the release, when we'll about to release the ball, our little finger will put some type of pressure on the ball towards slip region so that we can swing the ball easily. Little finger has the main role in swinging the ball. It will put a pressure on this side. Now we'll come to the arm path. Where should our arm path go while we'll release the ball? Our arm path should first cover the batsman, and then it should go towards the slip region. Not that if we'll directly cover the slip region, our batsman will not come in between, then we are likely to bowl wide balls. So for this thing, we should cover the batsman first with our arm path, then it will go towards slip region. Now we'll come to our final step, that is follow through. Follow through is usually common only. I have told you in my earlier videos also that we'll not go towards the danger area. We'll go outwards. We'll move out from that danger area after having some steps towards batsman. And the important part in this is we will finish our arm towards our left hip. Outside our left hip, we'll finish our arm. So this is the proper follow through. This is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thanks a lot.